Hi people, this is Nery. Again, I wanted to show you also. This is my plantain. The biggest one is that one going all the way to the sky right there. I'm hoping soon it will give plantains. And I want to show you. I had, the last time I made the video, I had this one, and that's it. But I got three more. The one over there, let me see if you could see it. Yeah, right there. This one, and this one who's hiding in this corner. So it's pretty cool, as if I see that it's not fitting in this corner right here, either I take these plants out and let it grow there, or I cut them and put it this way on this side. I don't know, but I want to keep them there. So most likely I cut these plants. They've pink flowers, and I got my compost right there. So whenever I need to put, because the reason why they're growing so much is that every time I see that it don't hardly have, you see like there, it has roots now coming out of there, and this side, but I can't see it too good on that side, because I have put dirt there. I don't know what happens. I don't know if the chicken pulls it out or what, but I will be doing it maybe Sunday. I'll be putting more compost on that. So it doesn't fall that way or something like that. Even though they got roots since a while back, because as soon as I started putting a lot of compost. The root would come out, I put more compost, and the root would keep coming out, and I will put more compost, and that's why you see like a lumpy there that you don't see over here. You know. So I'm gonna keep probably Sunday I will put more, especially in the back, because I noticed that in the back it don't have hardly nothing. So I will be putting some of that. And let me show you another one. And as you see, oops, sorry. As you see, I also have here. Here I have two. This one took long to give another baby. Over there, it was doing pretty good. But I got plenty of compost, so I'm gonna put over here so it starts growing its way too. So the baby is kind of cute though. Look, it's getting there. But I wanted to have more plantains, you know. And the other side, I got bananas. My uncle gave me bananas, and I planted there. And I want to show you something. And there goes one of them right there. I gave one to my uncle since he's always giving me bananas and stuff. So I decided to give him plantains also. So he could have the same thing I have over here. So, saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.